Game-based learning refers to the use of games or game principles to affect positive learning outcomes. Games can offer an engaging, immersive environment for students to experiment, try and solve challenges, and collaborate with peers in a virtual world. Game-based learning has been gathering a lot of interest and attention in the education community. Games are pervasive for youth. It's their natural medium and environment, and increasing research proves the value of using games in the classroom. For example, a recent study from SRI found that using games to reinforce concepts resulted in a 12% increase in learning outcomes for those students compared to a control group. Let's dive deeper into what game-based learning is and isn't. What was your favorite game growing up? It's well known that people learn naturally through a combination of observation, trial and error, and play-based practice. And play is a natural human instinct. We just tend to suppress this instinct as we get older. Children love to play. They make believe and role play, build huge towering castles with Legos, or construct train tracks like in this photo. This is how they learn communication, interpersonal skills, emotional control, resiliency and persistence, and even the basics of engineering. Teachers can implement games in different ways in the classroom. They can gamify a lesson or classroom, which can assign points and rewards based on performance, or they can immerse their kids in game-based learning, where they actually play a game to understand a concept or build skills. Let's look at some real-world classroom examples, and you can try to identify which is game-based learning and which is gamification. First, students use Minecraft to build structures to solve a math problem in the virtual world. Second, students use a website to take a quiz with answers and receive points and badges. And finally, learners simulate being business owners to review fellow employees to learn about competitive workforce skills. Let's look at the first one. Did you choose game-based learning? Yes, Minecraft is game-based learning. Minecraft is a vehicle for learning, creation, and problem-solving to meet the learning outcomes. Now look at number 2. Did you choose gamification? Yes, websites that allow learners to interact by answering questions, getting badges, points, and rewards are considered gamification. And finally, let's look at number 3. Did you choose game-based learning? Yes, game-based learning can also take place outside of a game interface while learners work as business owners and apply real-world relevant skills.